Babby call it the bubble wrap slime.
Hey, you just have to hold it tight.
That's it. Sedona Fun Kids TV. Yeah! Hi guys! It's me, Sedona, and
Grandma Milena.
And me, see.
Hannah's not here with us today. She's with her dad. So today, my grandma's gonna make slime for the very first time. But guys, before we start the video, guys, give her a like for this video because she did not want to be on YouTube. But like, now she's here like, oh my god, look.
Yeah, Grandma didn't want to show her face in the video, but she's doing it for us and for you guys.
Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe because I tell you how to make slime, where squishies are at, and plus we do challenges, and I have another channel called Sedona that you can check out that we do more challenges on. So we should get started. The ingredients are glue, activator, paints, coloring, glitter coloring, shaving cream, foaming hand soap, and lotion. And we have beads for extra things. Ready? Let's start.
Yeah.
And we're making fluffy slime, guys. And since we're gonna add the shaving cream, it's gonna make it bigger. So guys, the first step is done. We have our glue in. Okay, Sid, why don't you just go over there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so next step is to add in the shaving cream. Gotta shake it first. Ready, set, start. Look, Bobby, you can make a mountain.
Wow. Yeah.
Guys, never do it this way because it's barely anymore. If you do it this way, and there's still half of it in. But always do it like this. No, Bobby, don't do it like this. Do it like this. So there's more.
I try hard.
Okay, that's enough right now. We can add in more after we mix because we really need to mix this, okay? And guys, this is not my grandma that hates slime. This is my other grandma. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing mine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna be making.
Yeah. Shall I finish it?
It smells so good.
Sit down.
Yeah. One time I told Nanny that I ate shaving cream at Paige's house with Paige, and then she's like, shaving cream, and I'm like, oh sorry, I meant whipped cream.
Grandma looks like she's baking something. She's making a dough.
Yeah.
Especially with the spoon. Timmy, would you like some of my cream stick?
No.
Creamsicle? You want my cream pie?
Maybe.
Guys, make sure to subscribe to How to Basic. They're really funny.
How's it done?
So you do this
Yeah.
like sideways. You mix it sideways and not this way because it's easier.
Which way? Then?
This way.
This way?
Yeah. Okay, guys, now it's time to add our lotion, I believe. Okay, you keep mixing while I add.
Okay, I'll keep mixing. Ježíšku, Pánačku, já tě budu kolíbat.
So now it's adding the foaming hand soap. Which one are you gonna add in? Cotton candy or strawberry banana?
I prefer strawberry.
Few bumps.
Too much.
More?
No. No, just mix it.
Okay.
But I'll tell you when to add more. This one doesn't really have any scent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one smells really good.
Yeah. It does.
Okay. So don't add too much, guys, like I just did because it's gonna make it watery. I'm gonna pick the pink color. Okay, Babby, which one do you want? Do you want blue, glittery purple, pearlescent green, yellow, or pink?
Wow.
Sure.
Purple? Yeah, thank you. I love this purple. Yeah. Wow,
Respect.
it doesn't go out.
Yeah,
Oh,
because there's a
why?
metal part in it.
oh, okay. I can see it, yeah. I
Unlock.
see.
Add in a lot, Babby, because it's not gonna show. If you don't put a lot. Put everything in there.
Okay,
And if there's not enough,
let's try. If there is enough color. Oh.
is it purple?
No.
Okay,
There is.
you
There isn't
could have
enough
blue,
color.
because it's really pretty. You want me to add it in for you?
Okay.
Be careful, please, sweetie.
Sedona.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Timmy, no, we don't need that. You know, Bobby wanted purple. Maybe you can, if you put a little bit of that pink in there, she will have purple.
I will cut it.
Oh.
Bobby's struggling.
Okay, if that's enough, that's enough, Babby.
Yeah.
For this one.
Thank you.
Okay, I hide this in my bedroom.
And it's still not making it purple, is it?
No, it's not.
Okay, this is the Timmy tutorial of using tools. So every time you push it, click it, it goes tighter and tighter.
Now it's blue.
Oh, Timmy.
Next step is to add in the activator. So let's just do that right now. Put it in the corner. Don't put a lot. Pull.
Yep. 2,
Pull.
3.
No, it's fine. Pull. If it needs more, then you pull more.
We'll see.
Pull. Don't touch it. Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Whoa! So pretty.
And Babby, the best part about this, you get to take this slime home.
Oh God!
Guys, look at how fluffy this is.
Oh.
Mom, I want it to be baby pink like this.
Uh-huh.
Guys, you have to keep on kneading and mixing.
More?
Say yes, please. Instead of yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes. I'm definitely taking a shower. Okay, you don't need to put in any more borax, Babby.
Yeah?
Babby, you're having a good time.
Yeah, I do.
Try and make a bubble.
How does it feel?
Wow. It's so smooth. And but now?
I wonder what we should do with our slime. ASMR!
ASMR!
Yes! Fluffy slimes don't really poke that good.
But when it's ASMR, you have to be quiet, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
You can't talk.
You actually made a better slime than me. Okay, now I poke your slime and you poke my slime.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, right now we're just gonna mix them together. So we just made cotton candy slime.
Wow, it's so pretty. Grandma's slime pokes really good.
Doing grown-ups first poke slime. It's this. Guys, what slime do you think we're gonna do next? Pizzeria. Look, guys, it's a cotton candy slime, and it's making purple.
Oh, it's tripping. And if you grab that thing and if you throw it over, it will make a bubble.
Okay, look.
Yeah.
But you have to do it
Okay,
fast.
ready, set.
Almost.
Almost.
Babby is amazing.
Yeah, she did great. Puppy.
It's not a bubble. Yeah.
Bubble wrap. Babby call it the bubble wrap slime.
Are you gonna put any glitter in?
No, I like it as it is. Maybe in some small part of it, yeah?
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Lovely.
amazing. You did such a great job.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, guys. So right now we're gonna add in sprinkle. See, here you go. Sprinkle it on top. It feels so satisfying. Okay, so we have worry. Can I try?
Yeah.
Always excited.
What?
What?
Nice slime.
It turned into a bouncy ball and went into there.
Oh my gosh! Look at the slime. It's
Yes.
it's moving.
Babbitt, do this one.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Timmy.
And pour some in here too. So you have a beautiful slime. Oh my! I'm sorry, Babby. Ah! It's raining. Open your leg.
Open
Just-
your leg.
So just be careful. Don't put it in your hair, guys.
Okay, one question.
You, and you're swinging it just above Bobby's head.
I need a helmet.
Hashtag helmet.
Oh my God! We're gonna be homeless. It's leaking off the desk. Right here. Oh,
Okay.
again. Ooh.
Hello.
Oh my goodness! Is that your favorite top, Grandma?
I'm making a slime bubble. So, Bobby, if you want to make a slime bubble, you need to roll this up. So you need to stick your finger in there.
Bobby has no idea what the next step is.
No.
Does that?
No way.
Bobby's trying to make this happen.
Some grandma flush this one. Come on, Sedona. Oh!
It looks like you're looking for something. You just have to hold it tight.
Babbitt, do this. Not this. This, like cover, push in your face.
You have to.
Do this to your entire face, Babbitt.
Yeah.
You guys are doing it all wrong.
Yeah.
Babbitt's doing it.
Yeah, Bobby. No, don't.
Okay.
Well done, Bobby.
Good.
Oh,
You did it.
you try it with this one.
Timmy did it. Well done. Look, it's huge. Oh my God.
It looks like a ball. Oh, okay. Now close it tight.
Yeah.
This is my slime, guys.
My
Let me
bubble.
try. Guys, comment down below what is your favorite slime. Which one do you prefer better, like better? And Mom, you need to pick right now.
I like your color better,
Yeah.
but I might like Grandma's feel consistency better. So I like both of yours, really. You both did a great job.
Guys, what do you think? How did I do? I wanted to learn how to do
slime.
this.
Sedona's grandma wants to show Sedona's cousin how to make slime.
Sedona,
Yeah.
thank you for teaching me. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite part of the video. And if you ever made that slime like this before, how do you think Bobby did?
And Bobby means grandma.
Yeah,
Okay.
Bobby means grandma. Bye, guys. I love you. Where'd it go?